Is Cancun's transparent boat tour actually worth it? Ever wondered what it's like to glide across Cancun's crystal clear waters in a transparent boat? Come along as I take on this unique adventure to find out if it's worth the hype or just a rocky ride. Hello everyone! Not too long ago, I had the chance to try the Cancun Colors boat tour with Enva Tours, a fully transparent boat experience that had me intrigued from the moment I heard about it. A friend recommended it, and as someone who isn't a strong swimmer, I thought this would be the perfect way to explore Cancun's iconic turquoise waters without needing to snorkel or scuba dive. We booked the 4 p.m. tour on December 26, 2023 for about $49, that's US dollars, and I couldn't wait to see what this adventure had in store. When we arrived, the boat looked incredible, completely see-through, giving a magical view of the water beneath. Before boarding, we left our shoes behind to protect the boat and were given life jackets. As we set off, I couldn't help but feel excited. Along the way, we passed pirate ships and the water grew clearer the further we went. I was eager to spot coral reefs and hopefully some marine life like fish, turtles, snails, manta rays, and starfish. The views were just as stunning as I'd imagined. The transparent hull gave us an unparalleled perspective of the ocean floor. It was surreal, almost like floating on air. Every moment felt like a scene from a postcard, and I couldn't take my eyes off the water, soaking in every detail of this extraordinary experience. But then, the excitement turned into discomfort. Without warning, motion sickness hit me hard. The gentle rocking of the boat became overwhelming and nausea quickly set in. When we stopped for a professional photo session, I couldn't even stand up to take part. I spent the rest of the tour sitting as still as I could, just wishing to feel better. What surprised me most was how unexpected this reaction was. I'd previously been on a long open water boat ride from Calabar, Nigeria to Cameroon, an adventure with its own challenges. But this short tour left me struggling. Although I couldn't record much after feeling sick, the experience remained unforgettable for both the breathtaking views and the challenges I didn't anticipate. So was it worth it? For the novelty and the stunning views, definitely. However, if you are prone to motion sickness like me, I highly recommend taking anti-nausea medication beforehand to avoid any surprises. Keep in mind that while you see coral reefs, marine life sightings may be limited. Also, bring extra cash for tips for the crew and professional photos if that's something you're interested in. Would I do it again? Probably not. But if you are seeking a one-of-a-kind experience in Cancun, this is definitely something to consider. Thank you so much for watching. Have you ever tried a clear boat tour, or do you have tips for beating motion sickness? Let me know in the comments, and please check out my other travel videos for more unique adventures. See you in the next one. Bye. Testing. I hope this works the way it's supposed to. Is Cancun transparent boat actually worth? Ever wondered what it's like to glide across Ever wondered what it's like to glide for about US for the experience remained unforgettable. Although I couldn't record much after what's going on? Keep in mind that have you ever tried a clear boat tour? Why do I keep saying that? Let me know in the comments, and please let me